I paid to London flight food what China Airlines provided. First gave mixed snacks with drink. I got apple juice and cola. Then it was main meal, bread, some kind of sweet pastry. It was very buttery, fatty. Then shrimp salad, fruits like orange, apple and something else. Butter, some chicken with rice, vegetables. I drank apple juice. And there was also 1 bottle of water. Next was snack time. Mixed snacks. This was provided only for people who was awake. Lots of people were sleeping. Then it was chicken sandwich, only for people who were awake. Lots of people were sleeping in the darkness. They gave 1 sandwich, but they gave me 2 because they were thinking I didn't get any. Then it was cracker time, only for people who was staying awake. And this was nice and salty with water. Second time they gave crackers again for people who were awake with water. I got all the food what was possible. I was eating all the time. I didn't even want to sleep because I'm afraid I'm gonna miss some food. And this is main food, breakfast. Tomatoes, orange and apple. Bread with butter. Apple juice. This dish is horrible pasta with pork. I didn't like it. I ate it. Yogurt. This was horrible. Ugh.